What's going on, my good people? Back with not really an update, but something that I've been seeing for the past couple of years, and I kind of just wanted to try. Got a couple of events coming up at the end of the year. This weekend, the Pharaoh's Car Club of South Georgia is having a Toys for Tots cruise in. And the local scene in Valdosta, Georgia is having a Toys for Tot cruise in that I plan to go to. So one of the things that I always kind of want to do that I've seen people do is wrap their car or hood in wrapping paper. I've seen them. I've felt like cars may in person look tacky. But I kind of wanted to try it. I already have paper, so it's not really gonna cost me nothing because I always buy extra paper at the end of the previous year after Christmas is over so I can get on discount. So I got one big roll, so I'm gonna kind of see what it looks like. I already started just to kind of see how it would lay on the hood, so I guess tune in for the rest of the video. It's dark, so I only got a little bit of light. It's like 5:30, 5:45, so let's see how far I can get or what I can get accomplished tonight. If I like it, I'll continue with it tomorrow. If not, you'll just see footage from the show.